Preventive maintenance. So preventive maintenance is very important because it helps you maintain proper usability of the assets. It's very important to maintain a proper log. Mark consumables with install dates so they know when the last time a filter was changed. Ensure to always maintain at the proper interval. So constantly, if you have a 6-month preventive maintenance for an asset, make sure that you maintain that every 6 months that PM is completed. If you lapse on those times, that's when you could end up having failures. Make sure resources complete all tasks required. There's sometimes where techs show up on sites and they don't complete all the tasks that are required for that preventive maintenance, and they will just check all the check boxes and say things are done, but make sure that you have a follow-up to make sure that things are done correctly.